Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload fonts in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to download a font, prepare it, and bring it into your Canva project so you can use it right away. This is a great way to give your designs a unique, branded look that matches your store or personal style. First, open your browser and go to dafont.com. This site hosts thousands of fonts, ranging from decorative scripts to bold display fonts. Take a moment to review the license shown on the fonts page so you're clear on whether it's free for personal or commercial use. This is important because some fonts are only free for personal projects and require a license for business use. For best results, look for fonts that come in TTF or OTF formats, since those work seamlessly with Canva. Next, select the font you like and click Download. Your browser will save a zip file, usually to your Downloads folder. Don't try to upload the zip file directly, Canva won't accept it. Instead, locate the zip file on your computer, right-click it, and choose Extract or Unzip. On Windows, this is usually Extract All, and on Mac, it's Open with greater than Archive utility. Open the new folder that appears and find the TTF or OTF file inside. If the font includes multiple styles like bold, italic, or light, keep those files together so you can upload them as needed. This is helpful because it allows you to switch between styles directly in Canva without having to re-upload the font later. Now head to canva.com and sign in. Keep in mind that some font uploads may require a Canva Pro or paid plan, so make sure your account supports this feature. Once you're in, click Projects to see your existing designs, select a project, and open it. This allows you to immediately test the new font in a live design. When the editor loads, click on Text in the left panel to show text options. If your design already has a text box, click it. Otherwise, add a text box so you can preview the new font later. This step helps you instantly see how the font interacts with your design's layout and color scheme. At the top of the editor, open the font menu to browse available fonts. In that same area, look for the option to upload a font and click it. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the font earlier, select the TTF or OTF file, and confirm. Canva may prompt you to verify that you have the right to use the font. Click Confirm and Upload to proceed. Wait a moment while Canva processes the file. This usually only takes a few seconds. When it's done, the font will appear in your font list, often under an Uploaded Fonts section. Click your text box, choose the new font from the list, and you'll see your design update instantly. If the font family includes multiple styles, make sure to upload each style file so you can maintain consistent formatting throughout your design. If you run into issues, double-check that the file is a TTF or OTF, ensure the zip was extracted properly, and try reloading the editor. Keeping your font files organized in a single folder will make future uploads faster and easier, especially if you plan to use multiple fonts in different projects. That's it! Your custom font is now ready to use in Canva, and you can start creating designs that truly reflect your brand or personal style.